welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to be continuing with our Lamborghini Miura build. So we are going to be doing pack 8 stage 59 of the Lamborghini Miura. Now I had delivery of pack 8 this month. It came, I thought I was getting it next month for some strange reason, but we've been given this month's issue, which is absolutely fantastic. Now again, we're not using the parts that we got in this this stage. We're not using stage 59 parts. No, we're going back and we're going to be using pack 7 stage 58 parts in this stage. Goodness knows why. Goodness knows why they do it, but it just seems to be the thing at the moment. So today we're going to be working on the horns. That's all I can say. I'm hoping this should be a quick one today because it doesn't look like there is a lot to do. Start as you mean to go on, really. I mean, the box this came in was absolutely tiny for the next pack. It really was. And you're wondering, is that really worth the value of what you're getting? Yeah, maybe not. But anyway, let's get on with the build today. So, with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay guys, I'll do this anyway because we do it every build. Here is the parts for stage 59. We do anything with them. We're just going to use the parts from stage 58. And today we are going to be working on assembling and fitting the horns. Okay, so once just to get these out. Now there is a difference here. There is horn A and there is horn B. So I'm going to put these in order. So the horn A is there. These are actually in the bag, clearly detailed. And then we have horn B. Okay. And we need the end caps for these, which are in this little bag. I won't even, yeah, it's not worth it. But what we need to do is we need to put these on. Now these look to be a D-shaped pattern, but they don't. So let's see how they fit. They just fit like that. We'll do the other one. Again, that's just fitted like that. Remember, that's A and that's B. Okay, so we've done on both of them. Next we need this little black piece here. Okay, and it's telling us to note the two fixing points, which are them two fixing points. A little difficult to see there. Okay, so first of all, flip it around this way. It says start by fixing pin of horn A in, so like this way around. This is going to go on the end. Okay, then we go with horn B. Let's see if I can push that all the way in. I've got horn A in all the way. Horn B doesn't seem to want to go all the way, but that's in. Next we need to do is we need to bring across our car. Now, with that round that way, the two pins that are here, we're going to fit into just down there where there's two pins. And we want the sort of these bits on the outer facing towards the battery. Now, if this isn't a very good push fit connection, I am going to glue it. But that is a pretty damn good push fit connection. I'm happy. I'm happy with that. And that's it. That's all there is to do in this issue, which is basically the head fitting the horns. I ain't got a clue what's coming up in the next few stages of this build. Let's have a look. Let's go a bit further down, and it says attaching the reinforced crossbar. So the parts that we've got in this issue we are going to be using in the next issue, and then doing nothing with the parts in either of them. So happy days ahead. So I just wish we'd use the parts that we get in the stage for the stage. But it is what it is. So that is stage 59 complete. Well guys, that's it for the Lamborghini Miura. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, not much to do in that one. Yeah, I hope this isn't a sign of what packet it's going to be, because really there wasn't much to do in that one. I just wish we'd used the parts that we got in the issues. I wish we'd... It really does do my OCD in a little bit mad when we're using the parts from the previous issue in the current issue and not using the parts at all that we're being receiving in that issue. I really don't know why they're doing that. It really does mess up your way of thinking sometimes, but it is what it is at the end of the day. But when you come to it, you think, oh, I've got 58 to do. Oh, no, I've done 58, but I've got the parts. Go figure. Anyway, if you like this video, please do give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now.